Commenting text. In HTML, a comment tag is a code put into the HTML code of a web page to hide your text in the web page. Data that appears within the start and end tags of the comment tag will not be executed by the web browser. In this way, through comment tag, you can remind the user that what pieces of code are doing what. In HTML, you can add comments by adding the opening and closing tags inside the HTML code of a web page. When you view the web page on the web browser, then comments are not visible on it as comments are not executed by the web browser. In this simulation, we will perform the steps for commenting the text in HTML document. These are the comment tags in the HTML. The text between these comment tags will not be displayed on the web page. This is the tag which contains the text. This text will be displayed on the web page. The Save As dialog box appears. Press the Delete key to delete the default text, Unsaved Document 1 in Name text box. Type comment.html in the Name text box. The comment.html web page appears on the desktop. The iceweasel window opens. The output of the comment.html file appears in the web browser. As you can see, the commented text is not appearing.
This ends the current simulation.